Hey guys, this is Giuseppe, or you can call me Joe rather, from VIP Group, and I wanted to make a short tutorial about Udemy. Holly had asked for it, and this is my first tutorial actually, so I'm a bit nervous, don't expect anything perfect. I'm trying my best. So yesterday Mike suggested that, or actually he said that he gonna test out solo ads from Udemy. And I know Udemy, I have bought solo ads before, so I just wanted to show how that works. So you go to udemy.com and you create an account. So I'm gonna log into mine. Okay, and basically once you've created your account, you can upload your picture and stuff. You want to find a seller. So you click on Find Sellers up here, and you have some filters. You have a filter for the time when he will have your clicks delivered. So clicks means if you buy 100 clicks, that means 100 people will click on your email. That doesn't mean they opt in or buy anything. That is to be seen. Here's the minimal quantity of visitors the seller is able to give you within 100 hours. 100 hours before, because if the seller doesn't fulfill the order inside this time frame, you will get a refund. You will get your money back. You can set a filter for the click price. I suggest rather to pay a bit more but look for quality sellers. I'm gonna show you how to search for sellers. And once you click for seller, you can see if he's online. You can also message them, which I suggest also. I messaged mine because I wanted to know if he's able to deliver me my required amount of clicks. As we are in pre-launch, the pre-launch will end soon, so I want to make sure that he delivers my order. So you can search here by name or by a keyword, and I want to show you who I am using. So one guy is Maurizio, he's Italian as I am, and I've bought solos before and I was quite pleased. So when you find a seller, you see his profile, and then you will see 80% of clients with sales, so he claims 50,000 subscribers, blah, blah, blah. 90% tier 1, this is important, so that means US, UK, New Zealand, and 10 to 20% over delivery. That means if you buy 100 clicks, he will give you 110 at least, or maybe a bit more. This is the click price. Sorry, this is the sales conversion. But that just means that if I have made a sale within one order, let's say I bought 100 clicks and I make a sale, and I state in my feedback that I have made a sale, this percentage will go up. But still, this is a value you want to look for if you get sales with him. And this is the click price, 65 cents per click. So nothing guaranteed, of course. You can run a solo and maybe you have just a few opt-ins and nothing more. There is no guarantees. What is also important to look for is the feedbacks and the ratings. Here is 1,230 positive and only 2 negative ratings. So this number and this number, they are to me more important than this one. I rather pay a bit more, but I get quality. So let's click on his profile. He's online now. We just chatted. And I have bought 2 solo ads yesterday with him, 200 clicks, and with another seller. And I asked him ahead if he could start a bit earlier, as this is a time-sensitive offer. I explained it to him, and he placed me a bit before somebody else. So as you can see, now we are on his profile. Here is the ratings. If we scroll down, let's scroll down to the ratings. So you see I have rated him and there's other people rating him. You can read through that, and you can also have a look if the ratings are recent, because they can have good ratings but maybe they didn't sell much in the recent months. So that is also, and this would be the amount of orders not fulfilled. Sometimes if you have a huge order and he can't deliver, it will end up like this. But you see that the ratings look very good here. Here's a little map. And basically, if you decide you want to place an order with this seller, what you do is you scroll down here. And here's a slider. You can click the visitors, the amount of visitors. So that means the clicks you want to order. And here you set the date. So for example, I could place an order for 100 clicks for the 12th of June. If I want, I can place it on another date. Here's some filters. Base filter, a prime filter. The prime filter is because I took the option in Udemy to go prime. There's a prime option. You don't have to do it. I pay a little bit for my subscription to be prime. It has some advantages, but I don't want to go into that. Now you get basically you get a higher affiliate commission, but you can choose the free version. You still get an affiliate commission if you refer somebody to this program and he buys a solo ad. So here also you can filter out that you don't want to mobile or only mobile. I never use those. I just normally use the base filter. And here is, if you check this, if you this option is normally unchecked, if I recall correctly. So here is where you place your link, and there is where I would place my funnel link. So let's see. Here's my unifi. Here's my Kajabi pre-launch funnel for unifi. So basically I would copy that and I enter it here. Here is the option, give seller the option to send earlier than scheduled, which I want. And here you would see the price totally. So if you go up and want to buy more clicks, let's say, oh, so here it doesn't go further. That means that for the 12th of June, he can't deliver more. If I go ahead, now it can deliver more, because actually I placed another order this morning when I saw that the conversion rate was pretty good. So, and then you click on, no, sorry, I made a mistake. Of course, I have to go back. What I forgot is here, once you fill in your link, you click on, I have add text. And Mike gave us yesterday in this post the swipe, the add copy. And so here's the headline. So I used it. I never used that before, but this is quite good. I didn't use one because I'm not so good at it. So you copy it over here, and here is the text. So you copy over that, you put in your link, and I even asked the seller if I should put my link in again. This is just the same funnel link. It's just from Rebrandly. I changed it. And he said yes, and then you add to cart. So then you go to this page and you have three options there: PayPal, credit card, and even Bitcoin. You can even pay with Bitcoin. Once you have paid your order, the seller has to agree. You will get a notification once he has agreed, and you will get another notification once your solo ad starts. So it's pretty easy. And let's go back here. So that's basically it, how you find a seller. And I want to recommend him. He's really good, but of course there's no guarantees, as I said. And I have two other sellers. So I show him again. So it's Maurizio Pace. I have another seller I used. I was quite pleased with him. This is this guy here, Khalid Ibrahim. So he's a bit more expensive even, 10 cents more, 75 cents per clicks, but it was also very good. So it's the same thing. And let's see. Let's go to my solos. We can have a look at the solos I'm running now. And this is the third guy, Mattia Balantic. And I've discovered that Mattia, he's a bit cheaper than Maurizio and cheaper, of course, than Khalid, as Khalid is a little more expensive than Mauri. But sometimes what they do, Maurizio sometimes buys traffic from him because they want to extend their lists. So, as I said yesterday, I made 2 orders, 200 clicks with Mauri, 200 clicks with Mattia, and you can see they are in progress. I will refresh so we can have a live look. So 73 clicks of 200 are delivered from this guy, 46 of 200 from Mauri, and let's see what it has brought me. I have received totally 30 notifications from Kajabi. The first one is just the funnel check. Maurizio tests his funnels, not all sellers do. So that means I have 29 leads so far and 7 signups. So that is pretty good to me. That is really good to me. Of course, we know those signups, it is still free. We're going to see who ends up as a paying customer, but this is pretty good. So I placed another order with Mauri this morning when I saw that this is really going well. And so I ordered 125 clicks more. And I'm considering even more. I will decide. Actually, I'm waiting for Robyn Lynn's swipe copy. Yesterday she posted that she's gonna produce one as well. And then also Mike is planning to do this shared, this rotator thing. So I'm gonna participate too. Yeah, it costs money, of course. I had to pay for the clicks. It costs money, but it converts, and now is the time. So I decided to invest some money, and for me it is working because the YouTube is working as well. I've got 3 signups from there, either from there or from Facebook, I'm not sure. But my channel is still too fresh, so it is not seasoned yet, but this will all help. So I'm very busy with my YouTube channel. I create thumbnails as well, but these solo ads for now, this is a really good option to me. As said, no guarantees. If you need a link, I can send you my link. Of course, I will get a little commission. So if that is okay for you, just comment and I will send you my link in a private message. And basically, when you sign up, you have access to your affiliate link as well. So you just click here on affiliates. You have your affiliate link as well. You earn 15% on all solo orders from other referrals. And if you decide to go Prime, which I did for this month, then you will receive even more. And you can check out all the rest later. I think that is most important, that you know how to find the sellers. So to me, it's pretty easy. Basically, you watch for the good feedback, for good sales, and I suggest Maurizio, Khalid, and Mattia. So they were pretty good to me. Well, I hope this video was not too messy. As said, it was my first one. And keep rocking. Unify will soon be launched. And let's rock the boat and sign up more people. Thanks for watching. Bye.